Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do here's a few ideas to stay cool, because we have some 100+ days coming for the foreseeable future. I mean past the 7-day forecast. So there's a possibility we could have brownouts, power outages. We just don't know yet, do we? So we've been warned though, haven't we? So I thought I would show you a few things that I have gotten over time just to cool down and be able to tolerate the heat. This is the small Jackery, and you can run a fan off of that. So you can still run a fan, charge things you need to charge, your phone, tablets, things like that, run your CPAP. So, and if you have the Jackery, you can run a couple of other things. I also find these very handy. These are misting fans. You just put a couple of batteries in right here, fill it up with water. You can put some ice in there, because you're still going to have ice, and as long as it stays frozen. So you can put ice and water in there, and that's very handy. I've used those at like concerts, outdoor concerts, things like that. This is a solar fan. Has the solar panel there, and you clip it. It has a clip, and you can literally clip that to your hat and have it blowing down on your face and neck and chest, or you can put it on your shirt, whatever, and it runs off of the sun. This is a neck fan, and I actually had originally bought these for my husband for when he mows. And I painted my nails for the first time in like years, and I'm already messing them up. So it's this type of deal, and you hang it around your neck, and it's rechargeable, so you have a recharging deal, and it came with a storage bag that you can put it in when you're not using it. And it blows from here and all the way around the edges. So, and he's found that to be really handy when he's mowing the lawn. So that's like a personal fan you can wear. And these are just things that I have. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy any of this stuff. I won't benefit. I'm not sponsored or anything. These are just things that I've bought over time to help tolerate the heat. And a lot of times you'll find it'll start being more comfortable outside than it is inside your house. And one of the tricks for inside the house is to open a window at both ends of the house. One end down here, one end down there. And it's kind of the same premise as the fantastic fan that you would have in an RV or a conversion van. It'll help suction out the hot air, so it's not just staying there and rising in your house. You can also hang wet sheets over your windows, so when the breeze comes through, that kind of cools things off as well. But I got this. It's an inflatable tanning pool lounge, and you can fill it up with water and then lay in that, and it has a cup holder and all of that, so that can help cool you off. Or you could even buy one of those small inflatable pools. I also got my dogs one of those splash mats so they can cool off. You want to make sure you have some water stored just in case. I mean, if it's just a brownout, your water will be fine because they won't be shutting down the water plant. But if it's a total off-grid situation, you're going to want to make sure that you and your pets have water. And you're going to want to stay hydrated and make sure you're putting something in your water to keep electrolytes and stuff going. So if you have some bottled Gatorade, drink that. If you have the powdered Gatorade or powdered drinks, lemonade, Tang, whatever, Kool-Aid, add some of that to your water, and that'll help replace some of the things that you're losing. And then I got this. It's a, let's see, a mini Frigidaire refrigerator. It can run off of 12 volts, so you can have it in your car or your Jackery. You can put drinks in here, but you can also take some wash rags, wet them really well, put them in a Ziploc baggie, and put those in there to keep those cool. And you can switch them out and put those around your neck or daub your face or what have you to help cool you down. So you can have cold drinks, keep some rags cold in there, and like I said, you can plug it into your car with the 12 volt adapter or your Jackery. And if you have a bigger generator, solar generator or gas generator, and you have a window unit, I would 100%, even if you don't, turn one room in your house into a cool room where you can have your Jackery, if that's all you have, and run a fan and just have that room as the cool room. And you know, you can plug in your cold drink station and wear your little personal fan and drink your Gatorade and do the best you can. But you know, even a small inflatable pool put outside in a shady area will help. So I hope these ideas give you some inspiration on staying cool, just in case things get a little wonky in the next week or two in these high temperatures that I think are going to be across the country. So, and this is really handy. I would recommend these even for non-power outages. If you like to go to the park or outdoor concerts or outdoor events of any kind, these are just handy to have in general. So I would get you that and have your water storage ready for you and your pets. And I hope you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and you stay as cool as you possibly can. So I will be seeing you all soon in the next video. If I don't see you tomorrow, please have a fantastic, safe 4th of July. Even for those that don't like our country, if it wasn't for that Constitution, you wouldn't be able to say you didn't like this country and stomp feet or any of that. So we all benefit in some way, love or hate it. So anyways, I love you guys. You take care, and I will see you soon.